They even have me out here tapping out. They even have me out here tapping out. Good morning, beautiful people. It is your girl Rolling with Renee, and I am back again because it's day 3 of the fitness challenge, the 4-week fitness challenge that I signed up for with Juice and Toya. So we're gonna head down to the studio, my in-house studio. That's what I'm calling it. That's my gym. I'm already dressed, so we're gonna head over, get this workout started. I hope that y'all are enjoying this content so far, and I hope that somebody is inspired and or motivated to get just working on you, a better version of you, not to just be skinny, but to be stronger, stronger. So we are gonna go down here and get this workout started.
It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, 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 like I do. what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, like I do, like I do, like I
Okay, so that was a 15-minute dance workout. I like to dance, but damn, Juice and Toya, really? Y'all got me out here breathing. Woo, child, out of breath. But the workout is complete, y'all. The workout is complete, and all I can say is this is some type of challenge, I tell you. I got a lot to work on, but this is only day 4, I think, day 3. I forgot, I didn't even record day 1 because I actually got in on the challenge a little late. So by the time I saw that it was a challenge, they had already did day 1. So I am on day, I think this is day 3. I'll run across here, but I think it's it may be day 5, but I don't know. Anyway, let's see, 1, 2, 3. Child, I can't even think straight. Honey, my brain's all over the place, but I appreciate y'all for sticking around to watch me struggle through this. And now I'm going to find me something to eat. Yeah, I want some protein pancakes, so I probably will be going to get me some of those, to get me the mix so I can make some. But anyway, thank y'all so much for tuning in, and I will see y'all on tomorrow's workout. I don't even know what it is, but I'm gonna have to take a sneak peek and see, because they even have me out here tapping out. They even have me out here tapping out. But anyway, thank y'all for rocking with me. I'm gonna holler at y'all. Peace.